Yes! Yes! That is what I'm talking about. Yes! Alright, we are headed to Beavers Auto Salvage in Kannapolis, North Carolina today to do the 1,000 subscriber video. And a special shout out to them for letting me do this on their property with one of their vehicles. And we're actually going to blow the windshield out of a 2000 CRV. And listen, before you guys get offended about that, let me just tell you, this thing is already trashed. No motor, interior's trashed, every panel is destroyed, and the windshield is already broken. So we are not technically breaking anything useful, but we're gonna have a hell of a lot of fun, and they're nice enough to let me bring my own airbag. I had an airbag left over from a car before, and I was like, all right, let's just do this. So I brought an airbag, we're gonna send it through the windshield, and it's gonna be a hell of a good time. Now, I know I was supposed to do the Element subframe kit video first, but you guys surprised me with so many subscribers that I couldn't get it done in time. So we're gonna do this one first. We're gonna do the 1,000. Now next week, we're gonna do the Element subframe kit. So with that said, I wanted to add the fact that we haven't announced the winner of our lift kit giveaway from the last video, and we will do that in the Element subframe kit video, which is coming out next week, okay? So be patient. We do have a winner, or pretty close. Nobody's guessed exactly perfect, but we've got a pretty close one. I think we're gonna just give him the win. All right, we are at Beavers Auto Salvage here in Kannapolis, North Carolina. And we are going to film a 1,000 subscriber special, and it's going to be awesome. I'm actually going to put 1,000 across the windshield and blow it out with airbags. So that's the plan. We're making our way back to the back of the lot here, and here we are. Oof. Yeah, all right, here we are. All right, so our firing contraption right here is actually made out of part of the rear lift kit that I just made for the Honda Ridgeline. I figured it'd be an appropriate way to show that off. And then we've got our switch here. I've got plenty of wire, and hopefully I'm far enough away, but I do believe we are live and ready to blow this bitch out. And I'm actually gonna stand off to the side just to see a little bit closer vantage point. And we got a camera set up in here, pretty rigged up, but it's just an old GoPro that I don't really care about, so if it gets messed up, no big deal. That windshield is coming out. No question about it. It is coming out. And if it doesn't, we're gonna completely redo this whole thing, and I'm gonna start over with something bigger. But I'm hoping that one airbag will be plenty, and that it will send that windshield flying. And with that said, I think we're gonna go for it. Okay guys, here we go. Oh man, it didn't blow anything out. Just cracked it a little bit. Oh man. Well, we got to do better than that. Well, since that didn't work, we're gonna go in and get another part and try again. Well, Beavers is coming through clutch on this one. That one airbag didn't do shit. So they're coming out here with 4 airbags. We're gonna brace them up against the windshield, and then we're gonna send that fucker out. I'm gonna try this again. I put 2 airbags in there, and we brace them against the windshield. I want to see this windshield fly. They said I couldn't do it with 2. They gave me 4. I accidentally set 2 of them off while I was hooking them up. So we've got 2 to work with, and it's gonna work or it's not gonna happen. This is it. It's gotta work. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha ha ha! Yes! Yes! That is what I'm talking about. Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, you wouldn't want that going off in your face. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That was good. Oh my God, I could not have asked for a better result. That was epic. Holy shit. That thing flew out like mad. Oh man, what a great time. And thank you so much to Beavers Salvage for letting this happen. All right, that's pretty much it. If you guys need any Honda parts, used parts, give Beavers a call. Beavers Auto Salvage, Kannapolis, North Carolina. They've got every kind of Honda you can imagine. They have everything here. Everything you would need to keep your Honda going, to fix it if it's wrecked, you name it. They have it, and they ship all over the country. So if you guys need any Honda parts, leave a link in the description for them. And I do appreciate it. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up the video, and thank you for watching this far. And if you have made it this far, it means you made it to the end. And as always, I want you guys to type "made it" in the comments. People won't know what it means. It'll be crazy. And if you guys like this video, obviously hit a like. But listen, the next milestone for me is going to be 10,000 subscribers. And if I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to set off 10 airbags. 10! Who wants to see that? 10 airbags! Come on! You got to give a like for that. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to do awesome stuff like this all the time, as much as I can. And stay tuned for more of that and more how-to videos. And with that said, thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one. Airbags are not to be trifled with. I left the power on my switch, and while I was hooking up 2 of the 4 airbags that I intended to use just now, not 1 but 2 of them literally went off right next to my face. So, have you ever had anybody shoot a shotgun right next to your face? That's about what that was like. That was bad. Holy shit. That was embarrassing right there. I'm glad nobody's around to see it, because I really fucked up right there. To talk about airbag safety. What you don't want to do is connect up power to an airbag when you have live wires. Yeah, that just happened. I actually forgot to turn my switch off over there, and I was getting ready to rig up a couple more airbags, and that son of a bitch went off literally on my hand. I was literally right here wiring this up, and that fucker went off, and it blew out right there in my face. So, airbag safety, it's important. In the element, come on, man.